Richland, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Owen, and Pendleton. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana, northern Kentucky, and southwest Ohio. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. Today, sunny this morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers this afternoon. Windy with highs around 60. Temperatures